folks, it's me again. This is first I'm gonna do the weekly what's new. I'll try to make it short, but I always prove myself a liar when I do that. What am I doing? Uh, Actually, I haven't been in a while. I've been working on the house and working on shoveling snow and cleaning driveways and basically working on the store. So I have if you don't already know, I have a small store. And with the way this world is going, what do? I have a small store in Canada that imports American products, and apparently people are banning or boycotting American products because, yeah, let's crash the economy even faster. Let's just boycott each other's shit, which doesn't make any sense because you're all fucking dumb. But anyway, sorry I said that. Other than that, with that said, back to my normal little blog channel. I could do a political channel and probably get banned on Facebook in probably 3 days, but that wouldn't be bad. What's new? Not much. I hear there's a Honda, what do you call it? Reproduction gas tanks coming out, so I want to buy one. Get my other bike a nice tank. So that's on my list of goodies. But I picked up a few things on eBay, like what else is new, right? Not much really. I haven't really been in here because like the last week or so it's been in the high teens, like minus anywhere between minus 15 to minus 20 at night, and like between I don't know, like minus 1 and 10 during the day. So it's March comes, I'll probably be in here every freaking night because March here in Canada, especially where I am, the January, February are usually the worst, coldest, and sometimes like March mellows out a little, like it gets warmer, and you get usually cold nights and warm days because it's maple season. And if people paid enough taxes, global warming will be stopped, and we'll get a great maple season. Yeah. So with that said, I'll probably be in here late nights in March, fixing if I got this bike. March, I'm ordering later March or sooner. I'm thinking of buying a set of Surwa tires. Put on his bike. I don't really need tires, but I want to get a new set of tires from our bike, even though I don't need. I want to get a nice set of tires. I should get new plastics first because the tires hold there. It's got a set of Duro tires. If anybody knows anything about Duro tires, they're, I don't know, cheap branded tires, but they're okay on 3-wheelers. I mean, they're cheap, whatever. So I'm thinking of changing the plastics. That I'm going to do soon. It's cheaper than the tires. Let's just say that. So I'll do the cheapest option first. Normally I do the most expensive, the least expensive options first, and I save my money and I buy the biggest, most expensive thing. If I wonder why I'm staring sideways and looking at the bike trying to remember, I still got to send the rack out. I haven't been able to weld because there's a 2-foot high pile of snow in front of my garage door, and it's not conducive to welding. So with that said, and my garage was supposed to have a roof in the spring, and actually not spring. I start working on my garage in November, and it starts snowing like the week after. So it's not my garage, my shed. I was supposed to put this in the shed and possibly this one, seal it up and use that to work on these things because there's not much I want to do on it. Drive it around the yard, whatever, and get them out of the way so I can do a little bit of welding. So I might. Well, anyway, all that said, the roof never got put on. It was like I was running out of money. And it would have cost me like, I don't know, a couple $100 for tin for the roof. But now that my roof fell on my trailer and we de-tinned the whole thing and took that, I have a shitload of tin for free that I want to reuse. Like I literally could cover my entire shed with green tin. So that worked out great. So in the spring, when I put the roof on my shed, finish that, I'll take this out of here and I'll be able to do more work in here. I cleaned out behind the bench. I cleaned it out there. It's looking, and hopefully my channel in March will get a little more interesting. Most of the videos will be out in like, I don't know, April, but hey, so if you stick around, I'll actually be doing stuff. I feel bad because I haven't really done a lot of stuff because I usually do a lot of things that I think, yeah, so far people have been pretty, okay to. I mean, I don't have 10,000 users or viewers, so I don't expect, but the views have been okay. I appreciate everybody watching. Sometimes I can't understand who the hell would watch my channel, but apparently somebody likes some of the shit I do. I know I'm stuck in a Honda moment, and I got a few things like that I'm gonna do off on a camera at my house because there's a dresser I want to redo. There's still a handle I want to fix for my milling machine, And I got a couple other little odd things I want to do. Like there's a rack on this bike I want to straighten and use as a spare. I actually want to make a, what do you call it? A front rack for the big red, that because I have a bunch of wrecked ones. I want to make it so it's a rack, but it doesn't have a front end you can bash into and destroy. It's just like a small thing to hold the headlight, just for like a beater bike just to drive around. On the upside, I do have a a couple of odd, what I think are be cool videos. I picked up some bike parts that I was gonna paint. I picked up a couple of bike parts that I'm gonna repaint and redo. And I was like, how could I learn how to redo this while it's on the bike? And I'm like, you know what? Instead of screwing up the bike, I went on eBay and I've been searching for like 3 months. So I got the side of the engine. I don't know, the left or the right. I don't know what the hell. One's either it's not the clutch cover. It's the other side, the starter cover side. And so I'm gonna try to figure out with some help of some people on the Honda groups on Facebook on what to paint it with. And I'm gonna try to figure out how to sand it, tape it off, and practice and clean it up and paint it. So this way, I can actually do it properly. Or I'll just do this one and switch them out. And then have all kinds of problems probably. Or switch them out for now and do vice versa. Because I really want to make I want to make it something look nice. I mean, besides the fenders. The tank I have a seat cover. So I'll be doing a lot of different things. And with that said, this bike is still getting a little work done to it. The problem when you have 4 kids, a business, and very little time, some of these things, it's like, what do you call it? It's like an episode of Never Ending Work. It just like, I literally did a bench. If you look in my videos, I made a kitchen bench. I think it took me 6 months to make it. It may not seem like on the videos, but it took me a long time to finish it. But it came out excellent. Like if you go back and watch that little kitchen bench I made, I could probably sell it for $1,000 if I manufactured them, considering all the other pieces of shit that they sell online aren't even half as good, and they're $500. Anyway, I said I'd keep it short. With that said, it's -10 out tonight. I think my garage is about -4. I feel like the heat from the ground comes through the floor, because when you walk in, you get hit with a warmer air. So anyway, I said I'd make this short, and I lied. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that crap I should have said at the beginning, because that's what everybody does. So thanks for watching. And if you're my 1755th subscriber, 54th, 3rd, 12th, and all the other ones, thanks for watching. I absolutely love the fact that I'm getting subscribers. Like it's cool. I mean, I'm not a celebrity. I don't have a celebrity face, but hey, somebody's interested, and so thanks for watching.